The future kind are really cool.
Yeah.
Fortunately, they had clear skies today, but sounds like that might be changing overnight.
Again, same sort of pattern. We'll see those clouds early tomorrow morning, and then a cold front on the horizon could bring some even bigger changes. We'll talk about that just in a little bit, but here's a live look outside right now. In the hill country, we do have those blue skies out there, and we're going to continue to see this for the rest of the evening. Temperatures also are going to stay on the warm side. Right now, we are still in the upper 80s and low 90s. It's 89 degrees currently in Burnett, 91 in Llano, 90 in Georgetown, and 89 currently in Bastrop. Right now here at Camp Mabry, clear skies, 90 degrees, mostly clear out of the airport, 89 degrees there. Dew points still in the low and mid 60s, a lot of moisture in place, all because of that southerly wind we've been seeing for days now. And it's been breezy this afternoon. Look at the winds out of the airport, 24-mile-an-hour winds right now. That's the sustained winds, not the gusts. The gusts are even higher than that. At Camp Mabry, we're looking at 10-mile-an-hour winds out of the south and southeast. It's going to stay breezy overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow ahead of that cold front that's going to be working its way in. Here's your planning forecast for the rest of the evening, staying warm all evening long. By 8 p.m. dropping down into the mid-80s, 10 p.m. tonight, right around 80 degrees. We'll see clear skies all the way through. Satellite radar shows that for the most part, we still have high pressure and control of our weather pattern. That's where our southerly flow is coming from. Notice out over West Texas, though, we're starting to get a few areas of these cloud tops popping up. We have a dry line right over West Texas, so it's potential for a few thunderstorms to develop along that dry line. Not really going to impact us here in central Texas, however, but we are tracking changes on the horizon that could bring us that next chance for rain. And the upper levels of the atmosphere, we have a trough of low pressure out over the western portions of the U.S. This is going to track east. As it does so, it'll push a cold front through our area tomorrow night and into Monday morning. So let's go hour by hour through our forecast for through the rest of the day today, through tonight, I should say, and into early tomorrow morning. The cloud cover increases, mostly cloudy skies to start out again early tomorrow morning, perhaps even some patchy drizzle through the afternoon hours. We're going to see very breezy conditions with winds out of the south ahead of this front, and temperatures again going to be on the hot side, right around 90 degrees. As this front moves through, though, by the late afternoon and evening hours, we're going to see possibility for a few showers and isolated thunderstorms to pop up along that front. Going to be pretty scattered in nature, though, not very widespread, and better chance for rain as that front moves right through the Austin area and into our eastern counties where the even better moisture is. This model's throwing on some wet weather right around midnight. I think some of this will get started a little bit earlier during the peak heating of the day and then kind of continue as that front works its way through. Again, very isolated in nature. However, as that front moves through, we have the potential for a few of those storms to be on the strong to severe side, especially over northeast Texas, where hail and high winds could be the primary threats. We'll have to keep an eye on that as we go through the afternoon hours tomorrow as well. Then behind the front, we're going to see the wet weather clear from west to east early on your Monday morning. The cloud cover as well. By the afternoon, lots of sunshine is expected and slightly cooler temperatures. Now, once this system works its way out, we actually have dry and slightly cooler conditions through the middle of next week. Temperatures topping out in the 80s, which will be a nice break from the 90s that we've been seeing past couple of days. And then by Thursday and into Friday, our next front rolls in. A Pacific front, so not drastically cooler air, but it will bring us another small chance for some rain. Tonight, here's what you can expect. Temperatures upper 60s and low 70s for tomorrow, topping out in the low 90s again. It's going to be pretty warm across the area. 71 in Austin tonight, 91 your afternoon high tomorrow with that chance for showers and a few isolated thunderstorms through the evening hours. That 7-day forecast shows the chance of rain ends very early Wednesday morning, probably before the sun rises, and then we're looking at cooler conditions into next week.